Welcome to today's video, guys. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing working for other companies selling their products and services and earn an income of about $1,250 a month, or possibly even more than that, just depending on how much you're willing to put forth in your effort for yourself. All right. Well, if affiliate marketing method here sounds good to you, and then when you stick around, we're going to get started on that video here right quick, okay? All right, but first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos or to my channel here, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here. Time during the video, if you think about it, reach down below the video there, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel for you guys, okay? Thanks for subscribing, guys. The site that we're going to be looking at here today, guys, it's really easy, and this is basically going to be kind of almost like a job situation where you can do affiliate marketing with many other companies, different products and services, and get paid to do that, all right? So what we do is come over to this side right here. This site right here is called Talent Desire. Now, in earlier videos, I have showed they have many jobs that you can get involved with on this particular site here. And what this is a lot of people come here and they get fill out applications for these jobs here. It says your dream career starts now, and work with popular brands and earn money online from home. And then you don't even have to invest nothing. Guys, this is available all over the world too, and this is all 100% free to get involved with here, okay? So if we scroll down here, it talks a little bit about how it works. It says explore jobs, select an online job from home, and apply for free from all over the world. And it says then get hired, and with Talent Desire, you can work at home and tap into global network of work and start work. We make it easy to connect you with popular employers and begin doing work from home. Collect your earnings. Choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and more, which I'll show you here in a little bit. They actually have 5 different ways that you can get paid, and PayPal is one of those ways, okay? So if we scroll down here, it says worldwide popular jobs for you. Now, guys, I have talked on this site in previous videos on this site about language translation jobs right here, where you can make some pretty good money with this. They even have freelance blogging jobs. Some of these are ads. They got quite a few ads here, but then they have proofreading jobs here. They have online paid survey jobs. They have content writing jobs here, guys, and you can see how much you can make. And they have medical transcription, online typing jobs, and online teaching jobs as well. But the one that we're paying attention to right here is this one right here, affiliate marketing jobs right here, guys. It says you should expect to get a minimum work or make the minimum of $1,250 per month, as you see, and then you can earn up to US $25 or to $400 per day or more. So see, $1,250 is what I told you in the beginning here, but you could actually make way more than that, just depending on how much you want to work. See, because guys, this is freelance work. This is not an employee type of thing. You will be able to work your own set schedule and do work whenever and however often as you like, and from wherever you want to work. Actually, all you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you're up and running, just that easy. So let's click on this right here. We're talking about the affiliate marketing jobs today here, guys. And it comes over here and it says earn money every day for your time and opinion from the comfort of your own home. It says affiliate marketing is the world's most untapped source of generating passive income. If you want to make some serious money working from home on your own computer and schedule, then affiliate marketing job is perfect for you. It says how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Keep reading. The job nature here. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to invest the time and effort to manufacture any products. You can begin selling something as an affiliate as soon as you have a platform to sell it on. Well, that platform is they're going to hook you up with companies that are looking for people to sell their products and market their products on the internet, all right? And maybe even some of them might be in physical brick and mortar stores. I don't know, but from what I'm understanding here, this is pretty much all online, okay? The idea behind it is that you will promote other companies' products or services through our recommended affiliate networks and you will make money as a commission if someone buying or taking your recommended product or service. And then here's the pay rates, guys. It says we are ready to pay best in the market for the affiliate marketing work, but we really expect in return for you to have good accuracy and feedback in the borderline time period as our terms permit. And then it comes on down here, a beginner level. Now they will teach you here too. They have how they will teach you how to be a good affiliate marketer within their platforms that they have here with the different companies. All right. It says a beginner. If you're just a beginner, you can work on up to $50 to $2, and then so on and so forth. You create 10 sales or lead per program and make anywhere from $5 to $20. And down here, intermediate, 25 to 40, professional, 50 to 75, experts, 80 to 100. And you create 10 sales per lead program. And then it comes down here, your expected earnings for the beginner, which was what, to $2 or whatever it says here, 5 to 20. You can see right here, 5 expected earning affiliate promotion for 5 programs per day. You make 25, but it comes on down here, in 5 promotions per day, $80. You can make $400 per day. It says with the above example, you can now calculate your monthly estimated earnings. As an online paid affiliate marketer, if you earn $25 per day, as the above table, right up here, right here, this one right here per day, or I'm sorry, the beginner, right here, this one right here. So if you have 25 per day, as the above table, it says, and you worked in a month only for 10 days, then your calculated monthly income will be 25 times 25 equals $1,250, guys. That's what I was saying. Now, like I said, you can certainly make more than that depending on how much you apply yourself in this with this organization's affiliate marketing products and services with the companies that they deal with. All right, it comes down here and it gives you can have a little earning simulator right here that you can work with and stuff. But if we come down here, let's talk about the requirements. It says all you need is a computer with a high-speed internet connection and a basic knowledge of the internet and English, the English language. Okay, the eligibility, you must be at least 16 years old or above. And if you like to spend your time on social media or blogging, then it will more helpful for you to become an affiliate. So you want to make sure that you tell them that you're good with social media and blogging, which most people are today. I think everybody has at least a Twitter account or some sort of an Instagram account or Facebook. Everybody has that, right? So that should be a shoe-in for you right there. And the joining fee says registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after joining, and we don't ask about investment to you at any stage here. Online affiliate marketing demo work, they have a little demo thing here that you can work with, and they will teach you how to do it according to their terms. It says affiliate marketing job is a passive income job, and you can make as much money as you want or have a desire to. It says your work will speak for you. We have effective payment solutions for our freelancers. Find a complete list of payment options here. But what you want to do is click on the Apply Now button right here, guys. And then click on that, and it brings you over here. And it comes down, it takes you through these steps here to sign up. They have an application form here, and you complete it as per their guidelines here, guys, and then submit it or send it to them. And then you can actually send it to them straight through email or whatever like that. So, and then what they'll do is they'll read it and they'll look at it, and if they approve it, your application, they'll just simply get in touch with you, and then you can get started up with it right here. So I'm going to click right here, complete it as per the guidelines, and click on that. That brings us over here to this page here, and it says here basically just review the instructions below carefully before proceeding with the application. Fill in all the details required. Include your correct contact information, right? Now you want to use, since they're going to pay you by PayPal, if you choose to use PayPal, you want to use the same email address that you signed up with PayPal. All right, and then once you've entered an online center, you can submit your application. Due to large volume application, it'll take a while for them to get back with you, and so on and so forth. So right here, if we click on the online application form right here, guys, click on that, and that brings us over to here, and it says then fill in your details to work with us, and it talks a little bit more. We've got some disclaimer down here, and so on and so forth. So let's come in here and click on this right here. And that brings us over here to the application, guys. And it talks a little bit about the privacy policy. You can read it right here is the link, or then you want to just make sure you check this to accept it to proceed any further. Put your first name, last name, and your email. Like I said, you want to use the same email if you're going to use PayPal that you signed up with PayPal on. Put your contact number and your country, guys. It's, like I said, it's available all over the entire world. And then your zip code, preferred job title, which is the best time for you. Put in the hours that you want to work. And then the best way to receive your earnings right here, guys. If I clicked here, you can see, like I told you, there's 4 or 5 ways. There's PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer direct to your bank, and direct deposit to your bank checking account, as well as Skrill here as well. So they got 5 different ways here that they can pay you for this particular work. And then you just continue filling out the application here, guys. Come down, check this box right here. Yes, I have read and accept the above statement right here. Agree that all the details that you put in are correct and that you're older than 16 years old, right? And then just type in your name here. Check this little garbage box right here, guys, about being a robot, and then click the submit button right here. And then once that is, you just want to sit back and wait on them to get in touch with you, and you can become an affiliate marketer and learn how to do it that way too. But if you guys want to learn a more faster way to do how to do affiliate marketing, particularly high ticket affiliate marketing, well, you want to reach down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, like you see at the top of your screen there, and click on that and come over and watch a free video presentation that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing in a high ticket where you can make thousands of dollars in just one day's time possibility. All right, so that's down there. You want to click on that and come on over and do that in the meantime when you're applying for this right here, affiliate marketing jobs right here, guys. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this and gave you some value, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. And also, if you have any comments about this particular video or anything, just leave them down there in the section below, in the comment section. I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, I think I'll let you guys go with that. I already told you about clicking mentorwithkev.com like I always do. Come over and check out my free video presentation. It'll show you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands in one day's possibility. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Don't forget to watch these videos that are popping up here as well. It'll show you how to make money online as well. Alrighty, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.